How to extract audio from a video in CapCut. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can extract audio from a video in CapCut. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is open up your CapCut. After you open it, choose a project or simply import a project. What you can do then is that you can just cut out the part that you want to extract the audio of. I've just made it to a small amount right here. Now what you'll need to do is select the part. I'll just select this right here, and after you've done that, you will need to right click on this very section, and after you right click on it, you will find an option called extract audio. Tap on that, and there you go. Now this video does not have any audio and all the audio has been extracted right here. Now you can set it up like you want. You can set it up in parts, you can set it up someplace else. You can even only save your audio if you just remove the video here, and you will notice that now you only have the audio, which you can export as an MP3 as well. And yeah, that is how you extract an audio from a video in CapCut. And that is all for the video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.